Hello, everyone. This is my review of the Nautica men's clogs. These clogs are mostly made of one molded material that's soft, like rubbery, so it doesn't have a lot of parts to separate. Like in other sandals that have that one piece that goes between your big toe, that once it comes out, your sandals are pretty much useless. They're easy to slip on. You don't need to use your hands to slip them on and off. You could just do them with your feet. And if you need to, you can lock the straps behind your ankle to keep them more firmly to your feet in case you need to, I don't know, run or something, or you don't want your sandals to slip off. You just lock them up to your ankle and they won't slip off as easy. So I highly recommend these sandals, especially if you're going places where your feet get wet, like the beach or a pool. These don't absorb water and they're easy to dry out and not have your feet wet. So I hope this review helps.